everyone and welcome back to EduHubSpot's Knowledge Series. In today's session, we are going to cover 6 AI tools that are completely changing the game in 2026. But before we get into the details, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest tech content. Now, let's get started. So, US job postings for AI engineers rose by 143% in just 1 year. And LinkedIn ranked AI engineers as number 1 fastest growing job title in 2026. And professionals with AI skills are already commanding 56% higher pay than their peers. Furthermore, according to Goldman Sachs, 300 million jobs will be impacted by AI. And McKinsey says 375 million workers will need to reskill by 2030. And that's not it. The World Economy Forum says 97 million brand new AI job roles are being created right now. The job roles that did not even exist 5 years ago. So, the job market and the demand is constantly growing. But the only variable is, do you have the skills? So that is exactly why we are here today. Now let us jump straight into the first tool that is taking the AI world by storm. So, most people are still sleeping on Claude, while everyone is talking about ChatGPT. Claude AI is built by Anthropic, and right now it is arguably the smartest AI for reasoning, writing, and coding tasks. So, if you're doing any kind of writing, coding, research, or analysis, Claude should be your first stop, not even your second. Now, Claude is incredible. But tool number 2 is the one that designers, marketers, and content creators are both excited and terrified at the same time. And that is Midjourney. If you are into marketing, content creation, design, or even product development, Midjourney is the tool that will save you thousands of dollars in design cost and hours of your time. What used to take 3 hours and cost of 5,000 rupees, Midjourney does it in 30 seconds and for free. So Midjourney changed how we create. But the tool number 3 is the reason why freshers are outperforming their seniors. And that is Cursor AI. If you write any kind of code, even basic scripts, Cursor AI is the tool that will make you feel like you have a senior developer sitting right next to you. Developers using Cursor AI are completing 2 hours what used to take them 2 days. And companies are now specifically asking for Cursor AI experience in their job descriptions. So, that was Cursor AI for you. Now the tool number 4 is the one that literally started the entire AI revolution. So, it just got an upgrade. And that is ChatGPT 5. So, ChatGPT needs no introduction, but ChatGPT 5 is completely different beast. It is faster, smarter, and can now handle tasks that used to require an entire team. ChatGPT 5 is not just a chatbot anymore. It is closer to your personal assistant that can actually think, plan, and even execute. So, that was ChatGPT 5. Now the tool number 5 is changing how we think, research, and find information. And once you use it, you will never go to Google again. And that is Perplexity AI. Google has been your go-to for 20 years, but Perplexity AI is genuinely changing how we search and research. It does not just give you links, it gives you the answers with real source attached. Perplexity is what Google should have become. It saves you 45 minutes of reading and gives you answers in 10 seconds with source you can actually trust. So that was Perplexity AI for you. Now the tool number 6 is the one that filmmakers, YouTubers, and marketing agencies are using to cut their production cost by 80%. And that is Runway ML. So most of the people don't know that even it exists. So this is the tool that will genuinely blow up your mind. Runway ML is an AI video generation and editing tool. And in 2026, it is being used by filmmakers, marketers, YouTubers, and agencies worldwide. Video production used to require full team, expensive equipments, and weeks of editing. Runway ML does it with a text prompt under a minute. So, these 6 tools are not the future, they are the present. People using them right now are producing more, earning more, and getting hired faster than everybody else. And if this video got you excited about AI, we have a complete practical Gen AI course at EduHubSpot where you can go beyond these tools and learn how to actually build a real AI application. So, the link is in the description box below. Please check it out. And if this video got you excited about AI, please subscribe to our channel because in 2026 it will be your first place for practical learning. Thank you.